What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this Kim Kardashian Faux ponytail inspired look. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so let's get right into the tutorial. So for this look, you guys are going to need like a bundle of hair, or if you guys have clip-in hair extensions, that's going to work. So I'm going to be doing like a high ponytail look, and I'm going to be using my Bellamy Bugatti hair extensions. Now that my hair is a little bit longer, I feel like I'm going to be able to wear these now, just because they're going to blend a lot better. I have hella hair, so I think it's going to look really good. So I'd rather do this for the ponytail than get an actual, well, you know what, the Bellamy Bugatti hair extensions that I got, they did send me a free synthetic ponytail wrap, and the reason why I won't use it is because my hair is way too thick, and I'm not a really big fan of synthetic hair. I just feel like it knots up a lot easier when you're wearing it. So this is what the ponytail looks like. It's not bad, but I feel like for my hair it's just way too thin, and it is cool because you can just kind of put your hair up in a ponytail, and it comes with a little clip, and then you would just wrap this around. But like I said, I just feel like my hair is way too thick for this. I just feel like it won't blend. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be pulling off a Faux pony. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting it up, sleeking it up. So for that, I'm going to be using the Bedhead Masterpiece hairspray. I really like this hairspray because it does not flake at all. So if you decide to take this out and you want to style it differently, just because I don't wash my hair often, I do like to use this. And I'm the type of person that if I curl my hair and I want to put this in, and I flip my hair, so I don't want any flakes in my hair. So I'm just gonna brush my hair, and I'm using a wet brush. I love the wet brush because I am really tender-headed. And I'm going to be taking a little bit of, this is like aloe vera oil. She has a really good argan oil I recommend. This one's just as good. So I'm going to be putting that in my hair. And if I'm looking down, it's because I have a mirror right here, so I can kind of see what I'm doing. So even though I'm going to slick it up, I do like to smooth my hair out around my hairline and the top. I'm not going to smooth out the bottom because you guys are going to see why. And if your hair is wavy, I would smooth out the top a little bit, but don't really worry about the ends. And this style works great for someone that has like really thick hair, or for someone that has really curly short hair. If you just want to make it look slick and you buy a straight bundle of hair, or if you have clip-in hair extensions that are straight and you just want that like sleek ponytail long look, this is going to be great for you. You can also use this technique for a low slick ponytail. So I'm going to be taking my hairspray, and I'm going to be putting it around the edges of my hair, and I'm going to be slicking my hair up. So then now I'm going to be taking I got like 2 double scrunchies, so I'm going to be putting it up now. Making sure it's really tight. So now I'm gonna go in, and I'm gonna put in more hairspray. And I had a little brush, but I don't know where I left it. So for the baby hairs, I'm just going to take a little mascara wand that's clean. It's a disposable one. And smoothing it out. Another cool trick you can do is spray the wand. And that's just going to make everything nice and sleek. I'm going to go back afterwards and just make sure everything's nice and perfect, but for now this is fine. And for this, you are going to be braiding, making a big fat braid. So you're going to be braiding it all the way down. And I'm gonna start wrapping the hair from the bottom. And I'm gonna start wrapping it from the bottom. So I'm gonna open my clip. I'm gonna clip it in the hair, and I'm gonna double secure it with the bobby pins. So you're just basically gonna be wrapping the hair around the braid. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna secure it now. Whenever you guys put bobby pins, you guys want to pop them in there like this. You want the top to show, because this is what helps it grip to your hair. The little swirly part, that's what helps it grip to your hair, especially when you're gonna cross them. So I'm gonna pop a bobby pin in here just to make it nice and secure. So there goes one. And I'm gonna be doing the same thing, working my way all the way down to the hair. It comes with the volumizer. I don't think I'm gonna apply the volumizer, that's just too much hair. So if you do have the Bugatti hair extensions, make sure you guys are not putting this one in, because it's just gonna be too thick to wrap around. So leave that one out. So take another piece of hair, taking this one. Make sure you guys brush it out, and if they need to be smoothed out a little bit, go ahead and do that prior to putting them in, because once you put them in, you don't want to have any tension or pulling, just because it's going to probably make them slip out. I did put heat protectant on them because I did wash them. So take another, oh shoot, take another, clip it in. All the clips have to be clipped in. And when you guys are wrapping, make sure you guys are wrapping it really nice and tight. So we're going to be working our way up all the way to the top. We're getting closer to the top. And with the smaller pieces, I feel like I do have to secure them a little bit more. Now I'm going to be taking a piece and wrapping the hair around. And we're going to be pinning up. And there you have it. And I have really thick hair and you cannot see it at all. And I'm going to be taking some of, you can take any pomade, I'm using the Suavecito, and then I'm going to be using the mascara wand to kind of style my baby hairs. This is the final look. You can feel it if you grab it. You can feel the braid in here, but you can't see anything. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure to like and subscribe and let me know what other videos you guys want to see.